guys, and we're playing Minecraft with Eli. Hunter won't be playing for a couple days. Let's get straight to the game. Alright. We remaking a world that was in one of our videos.
And Owen deleted it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you said that you accidentally deleted it.
I was lying. Here, I just picked a random name and it was Kim.
Really? Oh, someone's a girl.
Owen, I'm coming over here, Hunter.
Why can't I come over here?
Good.
Oh my gosh.
So,
where are you going?
we're building separate houses.
No, okay. Mine's going down. Is that really only 2 blocks?
That was 3. Dude, that's way too close. I'll show you how far it has to be. That's right. Dude, come back here.
Why?
The slide is where it has to be. Well, this is steps. I'm going to need this.
So I forgot how to do that.
You forgot how to play Minecraft?
No, I didn't. So I needed that and... Should I do black glass or thin glass? Thin glass? Owen, black or thin?
Glass.
Owen, black or thin?
Actually, no, glass.
Black? The black glass?
Yeah.
Black.
Block.
Alright, who's talking to the bottom?
Oh, and I am top and Eli's bottom.
We forgot to tell you guys that.
Yeah, sorry.
And we might be able to have a sleepover together. At some point today. What if Cooper's coming? Would you not let him in?
Oh, and the village just stopped randomly, so just let you know, no, at 15 minutes. So leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and well, what is it? Share my channel, ring the bell for notifications, and let's go. Back to the game.
So today I'm making a brick house.
And I'm making a brown brick house to see who's doing better.
No,
I'm just kidding. It's just for fun.
because like we're gonna combine our stuff. Maybe.
No, no.
Oh no, the time we broke Hugh's house by doing that.
Oh my god.
Broke what? So we remember we broke his ground. We were flying, and then we broke.
Oh
his
yeah,
ground.
I remember
Broke
that.
what? We broke his floor. So then whenever Jude walked into his house,
He just fell down.
and goes to history.
That was hilarious. I remember that.
Wait, can you still break that block? The block that we did?
This one?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, can we go to the world?
It's only on the computer. That was on the computer, just let you know. That we did that.
And I'm gonna do a few more layers, like floors. I'm gonna do a lot of floors. Because that's what I did last time in a video that Owen said he pretended to get rid of. Last video?
Yours was underground.
Yeah, it was underground.
I'm basically making yours.
You're basically making what? And Owen's making like a hideout place. To let you guys know, Owen is making nothing similar to mine. Except for the brick part. Why did I get rid of all this stuff? Die! And what did I need?
You ate my butt?
Yes.
You're like, yes, no, I did not.
Okay.
So you said you did my butt, and then you said you did eat my butt.
Because I don't. And then,
Well, you said you did at first.
and then I said,
Yeah.
did it.
Kill with the sword, baby, with the sword, baby, with the sword, baby.
Owen,
We can't break with our
what's that
sword.
block that's like a stick? There's like a stick block.
Oh, a stick.
It's wood.
Go back, go back, go back. You mean a ladder?
No, it's not that.
Go back. You mean that? A lever?
No.
It's called a lever.
No, it's a lever.
It's not what I'm talking about.
In the weird, in the
Never mind, I
lupa,
don't
in the lapita way.
In the what?
Lapu-poo-poo way.
Yeah, poo-poo way.
Oh. So, like, I'm putting my roof on my first floor. Once I do this last layer, and then it's gonna be finished. Not the whole house, just this first layer.
And then he's also,
Oh, which video is this? Because I want to tell them what video this is.
60 something.
This is Owen's 60 something.
It's
60th.
video.
Yeah. So,
I think it's like 66 or something, like close to that.
around that number.
of videos.
Because Owen's made a lot of videos.
Well, compared to other YouTubers make like thousands a day.
Like you.
How can I make thousands a day if I've only made like 60, if I only made like 70? This.
You poop this? And if you guys don't know how to make these houses, you could always just ask Owen and me questions, and we'll answer them.
On the comments.
Yeah. But sometimes I won't be here because this is really Owen's house.
Yeah, it's my house. And I'm moving to Colorado, so you folks in Colorado, you might be able to meet me.
If you're gonna watch this video that's in Colorado, you see my friend over there? It looks like he's putting down wool for my area, but he's putting down glass.
It's glass, you poopins.
See, because look,
Glass.
and there's only one way how to get in. Can I come down?
No.
I'm running down.
Oh, I said no! Get out! Get out! I said get out, Mama. Get out!
Ah, I'm flying!
Hey, you better get it. You better run.
Your Patushi better run.
Your Patushi better run.
Oh, and how many layers should I make?
65.
No, I'll make 3.
65 million thousand.
Nope. 3.
3?
Yeah, 3 layers. No, I'm just gonna keep on making more and more layers. Cause I'm making a hotel.
No, that's your house.
My hotel house.
What's a
Hotel
house?
plus house. I'm gonna have to make one of my flares, like on my roof.
Oh!
Grass. You know why? Because I'm gonna make flowers. I'm gonna make trees on top. And some folks might think that this is not fun, but it actually is.
Yeah. Whoever thinks Minecraft is boring,
They're
You?
boring.
yeah, you're boring.
What are these?
That's what you get.
I mean, you don't
Minecraft's
like?
one of the best games ever made.
Yeah.
It's one of the most. Go bed, Eli.
Once I finish these layers.
No, just go bed. Now you. Just gonna make a big row of bed.
Can I come join?
Yeah.
Hey, where's the bed? Here, I'll just sleep on it.
Let's go this way.
I'm sleeping, Owen.
I'm not done.
Won't you be done?
There you go.
Owen! Go to bed.
Like,
Hopefully you know that's in the channel.
Okay.
it's only been 9 minutes and we're good.
Hey, now we're done. I'm wrecking my bed because that's not where I'm going to put my bed. And a bed just showed up on my screen.
Because if you break a bed, then and yeah, he's
Well, not, he's not supposed to be seen in the video.
He makes it in the video. That's not Minecraft and not playing. If you think Minecraft's stupid, you have no soul.
and
it's
you're
not.
stupid.
Oh, and we might do challenges that aren't Minecraft related sometimes. Like challenges like try not to smile, try not to laugh, try not to be impressed. That kind of stuff. And try not to cry, try not to smile. There's so many try not to.
They're so hard because you watch so much videos. Like, I'm just gonna make up a video. This baby's playing in the bathtub.
I got one that's actually super hard to laugh at for me because I laugh very easily. It's an actual one I'm trying not to laugh. You might know this, but I'm saying this to Dad. Who poops the pants? Who poops the pants? Baby.
Here's one that I seen. This on YouTube. This girl goes in the. It's a baby, just waddles into the toilet and sits in the toilet. She literally goes through the hole, like sits down in the hole and starts crying. Woo woo!
She's an idiot.
I mean, like, hey, when you're Marina, don't sit in the toilet if you're a baby. Sit in the littler toilet. Poo poo. 12 minutes.
We will have to end the video here. I'm sorry we don't have that much time. We might make another video, but we can't right now. So bye.